Hello best friends, welcome back to the channel. So this video is brought to you by Ishow here. They are sponsoring this video. Okay, so they did send me this wig and I'm just unboxing it for you, showing you what came in the packaging. You get your baggie. I have a clip. This is actually a really cute clip. I had a wig cap and some eyelashes, and this is the wig. We are working with a 28-incher. And this is like a loose wave, and I was loving it until I pulled the wig out and I had confusion. I was like, what is this? Is this a used wig? But no, it's not a used wig. So I had questions because I was confused. So I had to contact the company and I asked them questions about this particular wig because I was like, did you send me the wrong wig or what's going on? So this is their Glueless Wig. I guess they're trying something different and they wanted me to demo it. Okay, so this is supposed to be a glueless wig installed for you, and the lace is supposed to be cut because I'm guessing there's a lot of people that do not like to cut their own lace. So if you're one of those people that do not like to cut their own lace, then this is probably the wig for you. Okay, I am going to go bleach the knots because clearly this is a dark wig and I can't see the knots. So I did use 30 volume developer with some quick blue. My only suggestion when it comes to this wig, with this company, if you are going to have the lace cut, I feel like you guys should have the knots bleached as well, because actually applying the bleach on this lace was hard because of the blunt edge. Like, you know, when you have the excessive lace, it's easier to put the bleach on, but when it's the blunt edge and your hairline literally starts at the edge, it can get a bit messy. So that's the only thing that I would say about this one. But I did let this bleach sit on this wig for about 20 minutes. After I did that, I let it process. I washed it, deconditioned it. This hair is super soft. Ishow never disappoints me when it comes to their wigs. Okay, so yeah, that's what I did. And then after I let it process, washed it, let it air dried, I went straight into molding the hair and styling it. Okay, so I'm going to use some spritz and some hair wax to go ahead and lay the hair back. Now, as you see, the free edge, you have to definitely be careful with the free edge of this wig because this is HD lace. It's very fragile, so I would suggest you have multiple pins to lay the lace down, because it's going to kind of be a little bit difficult for you to press it out unless you're doing it on your actual head. Me, myself, I prefer to do it on the mannequin head because I could get it way more neater and flatter on the mannequin head versus me just going ahead and putting it on my head first. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that the hair is pushed all the way back. And yeah, so that's what you're going to see me doing right now. Okay, so I talked to the company and they said that this is their new wig. This is supposed to be a glueless wig. It does have HD lace. It's supposed to make it easier for a beginner to put on. All right, so I have the hair. I've brushed it out. This is supposed to be 28 inches. It is if you stretch it. Like I said, it was kind of difficult for me as far as, you know, plucking it a little bit more because there's no excessive lace and you can tear it easily. So you definitely want to be careful when you're doing that, especially if you have pre-cut lace. Okay, you're gonna need more pins. You saw me bleaching it. It was a little bit messy, but let's see if this mimics my hairline, because normally I like to cut my lace to mimic my hairline. I like to leave a little bit more lace on here because it's just a preference, but they already pre-cut it for you. So let's just gluelessly install it right now. So this is what it looks like on me. To install, I did go to the beauty supply and I did get my favorite product to use to install my wigs, and it's the Red by Kiss adhesive spray, and it looks like this right here. This is my favorite item to use. We're gonna work from side to side to adhere this wig down. I am gonna spray it, blow dry it until it gets kind of dry or tacky, and then I am going to lay it down and blow dry it until it's fully dry. Okay, so I'm gonna blend the lace in. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 and a small brush so I could be, you know, not messy. And I'm going to stipple this onto the lace. I mix both colors to get the color that I need for my skin tone. I'm gonna push the hair back and you see, it's working. Okay, so we got that going. So we're gonna apply the rest of the lace down. So after the lace is laid down, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, part my hair, make sure my parting is how I like it. I'm gonna use some wax to, you know, lay that down as well. I'm also gonna press that down with my hot comb and just make sure that it's like, you know, it looks decent, it looks neat. And we're gonna go in and lay some baby hairs. I felt like I needed baby hairs with this wig. A lot of the wigs I don't need baby hair, but I add them. But I felt like with this particular wig, baby hairs was nice to have. I did notice that they had some baby hairs already cut on this unit, but it wasn't enough for me, so I went in and cut more. I'm gonna go ahead and pin my hair out the way. I'm gonna spray my hairline down with the exact same spray that I used to lay the lace, and then I'm gonna wrap it down until it dries. You're gonna see me come back and my hair is gonna be wet. I just saturated the hair with water just to tame the hair, and now I'm putting a lot of mousse in the front of the hairline just to make sure that it's neat and laid down how I wanted to. I like to use a lot of, I like my hair to be saturated with water and mousse, because once the air is dry and it dries all the way down, it looks so wonderful. But yeah, so you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As far as this wig, the hair was amazing. It's super soft. It didn't shed for me at all, which is good. As far as the wig itself, I feel like all wigs are glueless. You just need to know how to make them glueless. For me, I felt like I needed to use some temporary spray or something to help lay my lace down, because if not, I felt like it probably would have shifted for me. But like I said before, if you are new to wigs and you don't like to cut lace, then this would probably be the wig for you.